Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. On tonight's menu, one pan creamy gnocchi, sun-dried tomatoes and peas. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. Melting some butter in the saute pan. I add the garlic and we'll saute for about 30 seconds. I add the sun-dried tomatoes and the white wine. And then I add the peas, the gnocchi, and the cream. Everything's all stirred together, ready for a simmer. After simmering for about 6 minutes, here's the results. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. Have fun cooking.